Morning YouTube subscribers. This is going to be a brief video about my Wisconsin and Southern GP7u, which is from Athearn. The GP7us were rebuilt from their original look. This one has a short hood put on it, and I think probably the engine was upgraded along with the electronics. You can see the roof exhaust vents are quite different than an original GP7. A little bit about Wisconsin and Southern I was able to find on the internet. It's a Class 2 regional railroad serving Wisconsin and Northeast Illinois. Its headquarters is in Madison. Began operations in 1980 when the state acquired several branch lines of the Milwaukee Road and the Chicago and Northwestern. It connects to the 4 Class 1 railroads, the nationwide railroads, and it operates 802 miles of branch and mainline track. Serves 26 grain elevators, and it transports wood products, fracking sand, didn't know what that was till I read about that, used in oil fracking, chemicals, generalized and general freight. In 2011, it was acquired by Watco, which operates 41 regional railroads and other transportation companies throughout the United States. GP7, built between 1949 and 1952, was the first of the GP units, or Jeeps. It was very successful, and EMD had a hard time keeping up with demand. Overall, they built approximately 2,700 units. It had 16-cylinder diesel with 1,500 horsepower. This one, since it's upgraded, probably has more horsepower, but I couldn't find anything specific about this particular road number. Apparently, it was first acquired by the Atchison-Topeka-Santa Fe Railroad, and the GP7s and the 9s, and I did a GP9 review recently, they look very similar. So I'm going to give you a demonstration of some of the features, and you can watch it run for a little bit. Okay, I'm going to run the locomotive and try to run a few of the sounds. I'm holding the iPhone video camera in my left hand. I'm going to attempt to run it off my Y throttle over here. So we'll just have to apologize in advance for the lack of a smooth run. But here we go. I'm going to do forward a little bit. Get some bell. The ditch lights turned on, they don't flash. The rear ones flash, but the front ones don't. And we just hit a dead spot, which I'm still working to fix all that. We'll back up. Yeah, love this DCC. Let's just power right through this with my finger. Gotta stop. Do reverse. Get those ditch lights on. And you can see how those blink. They don't alternate, they just blink. And I just turn them off again. There we go. Okay, we're coming up on the dead spot again. You see the exhaust vents are different than the original. Get the short hood. Got the dead spot. There we go. So that gives you an idea on some of the sounds on this thing, and I'll look at the back side of my layout again. You can see the background buildings over there, but there's a gap of 18 inches or so. And my control board sticks out. Rail cars are down here at the end because the slope, they all kind of roll down there. Okay, thanks for watching.